Data analysts spend 60 to 80% of their time cleaning and preparing data before a single insight is produced. AI is cutting that to under 20% at teams using the right tools. The analytics market hit $108 billion in 2026. The teams winning aren't the ones with the most data. They're the ones with the least friction. The market splits into 5 categories. 1. AI BI platforms. Power BI with Copilot Tableau, with Einstein Copilot, and Looker with Gemini. 2. Conversational analytics. ThoughtSpot business users ask questions in plain English and get accurate charts. No SQL required. 3. Automated machine learning. Databricks and datarobot for predictive modeling. 4. Data prep AI. Alteryx for no-code data blending. 5. AI copilot layers. Julius AI and chatgpt advanced data analysis. Instant one-off analysis on any file from $20 a month. Power BI Copilot at $14 per month generates DAX formulas and builds layouts. It's the highest ROI starting point for Microsoft Stack teams. ThoughtSpot Spotter Agent lets any business user get accurate answers from complex data without ever involving an analyst. Databricks is the enterprise standard for data science. And Julius AI $20 a month. Upload your CSV, get production quality analysis in minutes. Match the tool to the bottleneck. Not the best demo. If stakeholders need custom reports, ThoughtSpot or Sigma pays for itself within a quarter. If your team manually writes DAX, Power by Copilot is essential. For data prep bottlenecks, Alteryx or Databricks AutoML is the right investment. Now the warning. AI tools produce accurate results only on well-governed data. If revenue has 5 different definitions, the AI will be wrong. Before you buy, audit your metric definitions and fix the governance gaps. Wrong answers destroy stakeholder trust faster than having no 8 hidden cost traps. Databricks consumption can exceed estimates by 70%, and Tableau Creator at $75 is 5 times the cost of Power BI Pro. The winning teams governed data first, then picked the tool for their bottleneck. Full guide with pricing is linked in the description. Like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz. It really helps us grow.